Hello, my name is Naideni. In this recording we practice reading words with prefixes and then read five sentences using those words. I hope you enjoy my pronunciations. Thank you for your listening. Five sentences use prefixes based words. Autography 1. She wrote an autography to tell the story of her life. Disagree. I disagree with my friends about the best movie to watch. International. He wants to work for an international company in the future. Rewrite. Rewrite. The teacher asks you to rewrite the paragraph to make it clearer. Unhappy. She felt happy, unhappy because she lost her favorite book. Thank you.